Hello, and thank you for joining us here on the Clarity Core. Today we'll be exploring the topic new: how to use AI to summarize anything in 60 seconds for students and professionals. Every day, the world produces more information than the human brain can handle. Emails, articles, reports, books, lectures, research papers, meeting notes, PDFs, videos. We are drowning in information. And the problem isn't intelligence, the problem is time. No one has enough time to read everything anymore. No one can keep up. No one can stay ahead. But something has quietly changed. A tool now exists that can compress hours of reading into 60 seconds. Not in the future. Right now. It's called artificial intelligence. And if you're a student, a professional, or anyone who wants to think faster than everyone else, this skill may become one of the most powerful advantages of your life. In this video, you'll learn how to use AI to summarize anything in under 1 minute. How to turn long content into clear, simple ideas. How students can use this to master subjects faster. How professionals can save hours every week. And how to build a personal system that makes learning feel effortless. This is not about cheating. This is about working smarter in a world that moves too fast for slow methods. Let's begin. We live in the age of information overload. A few decades ago, knowledge was rare. Today, it's everywhere. You can search anything, learn anything, read anything. The problem is, you can't finish everything. Your brain has limits. Your time has limits. Your energy has limits. The people who win in this era are not the smartest. They are the ones who can process information fastest. This is the real advantage. Let's start with a hard truth. Most people don't actually need to read full content. They need core points, key insights, actionable ideas. Everything else is noise. And this is where AI becomes your secret weapon. Why summarization is the new superpower. In the past, smart people memorized. Today, smart people compress. Summarization is not laziness. It's a skill. If you can turn a 30-page report into 5 bullet points, a 1-hour lecture into a 60-second summary, a 10,000-word article into 10 clear ideas, you become faster, smarter, more efficient, more valuable. That's power. What AI really is, in simple terms. Forget the sci-fi. Forget robots. Forget fear. AI is not magic. AI is just software trained to understand patterns in language. It doesn't think. It predicts. It looks at massive amounts of text and learns how to compress ideas clearly. And right now, it can summarize content better and faster than any human. You're not replacing your brain. You're upgrading it. The 60-second summarization system. You don't need complex tools. You don't need coding. You don't need technical skills. You just need a simple 3-step process. Step 1. Give AI the content. Step 2. Give it a smart instruction. Step 3. Read the result. That's it. 60 seconds. Let's make it practical. Step 1. Choosing the right type of content. AI can summarize almost anything. You can use it with articles, research papers, PDFs, textbooks, YouTube transcripts, meeting notes, emails, legal documents. If it can be copied, it can be summarized. This is the first mental shift. You no longer see long content as a problem. You see it as raw. The prompt. Most people use AI badly. They ask weak questions. They get weak results. The quality of your summary depends on your instruction. Here are examples of powerful summarization prompts. Summarize this in simple bullet points. Explain this like I'm 12 years old. Give me the main ideas and action steps. Turn this into a 60-second explanation. You don't need to write essays. You just need clarity. Your instruction becomes your skill. The perfect 60-second summarization prompt. Here is a framework you can reuse forever. Summarize the following content in short, clear bullet points. Focus only on key ideas, takeaways, and practical insights. That single sentence makes AI incredibly powerful. How students can use AI to 10x their learning. Students are drowning. Textbooks, assignments, research, deadlines. AI changes everything. Here's how. Instead of reading 40 pages, paste text. Get key ideas in 60 seconds. Instead of rewatching a lecture, get a clean summary instantly. Instead of feeling lost, you feel in control. This doesn't make you lazy. It makes you strategic. You still learn. You just remove friction. Real student use cases. A biology student uploads a chapter. AI summarizes. Core concepts. Important terms. Likely exam topics. A history student uploads lecture notes. AI summarizes. Timeline. Key events. Important cause-effect relationships. A law student reviews cases. AI compresses. Facts. Judgments. Legal logic. This is how learning becomes faster without becoming weaker. How professionals use AI summaries. Time is money. And most professionals waste both. Emails alone can take hours each day. Long reports waste afternoons. Meetings waste focus. Now imagine, instead of reading 20 emails, you summarize them in seconds. Instead of a 30-page report, you get one-page clarity. Instead of confusion, you get direction. This is not luxury. This is efficiency. Business use cases that save hours every week. Managers use AI to summarize team reports, process customer feedback, review competitor analysis. Entrepreneurs use AI to summarize market research, extract trends from long articles, turn raw data into insights. Lawyers, doctors, consultants, and analysts are already using this. You're not late. You're early. The psychology behind why this works. The human brain is amazing, but it wasn't built for 2025 information levels. Your brain evolved for survival, not spreadsheets. AI acts like a filter. It removes clutter. It highlights signal. It gives you back mental clarity, and clarity is a competitive advantage. The difference between smart use and lazy use. Some people use AI to avoid thinking. That's dangerous. Others use AI to accelerate thinking. That's powerful. The rule is simple. You use AI to get the structure. You use your brain to create meaning. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. How to summarize videos in 60 seconds. This is one of the most powerful tricks. You can summarize YouTube videos or lectures by getting the transcript, pasting it into AI, running a summary prompt. Now a 45-minute video becomes 10 bullet points, 1 paragraph, or a checklist. Your time multiplies. The 3 levels of AI summarization. Mastery Level 1. Basic user. Copy and paste text. Ask for summary Level 2. Strategic user. Custom instructions depending on goal. Level 3. Power user. Combine summaries into systems, notes, and workflows. You don't need to reach Level 3 today. Level 1 already changes your life. Mistakes beginners make. Here's what to avoid. Asking vague questions. Summarize this, please. Trusting summaries blindly. Using AI without understanding basics yourself. AI should make you sharper, not weaker. Building a daily 60-second knowledge routine. Here's a simple system. Morning, summarize 1 article. Afternoon, summarize 1 email thread or report. Evening, summarize 1 video or chapter. In 30 days, your brain becomes trained to recognize patterns faster. This is real skill development. Why this skill will separate winners from everyone else. In the future, knowledge will not be rare. Speed will be rare. The ability to compress ideas fast will define intelligence. The people who master AI-assisted thinking will create better content, better strategies, better decisions, better careers. This is not hype. This is evolution. Ethical use for students and professionals. This is important. This is not plagiarism. This is not cheating. This is acceleration, clarification, efficiency. You still think. You still write. You just remove unnecessary effort. Why most people will never use this correctly? Because they fear change, because they feel intimidated, because they think it's too advanced. But AI is simpler than spreadsheet formulas. It's just a tool, a very powerful one, your simple 60-second blueprint. Here is your permanent system. Copy long content paste into AI. Use a clear summarization prompt. Read. Refine with your own thinking. That's it. This is a lifetime skill. Final truth. You don't need more time. You don't need more energy. You don't need to work harder. You need better tools. AI is not replacing intelligence. It's amplifying it. And the people who learn to use it early will think faster for the rest of their lives. If this video helped you discover how to use AI to save time and think faster, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is the Clarity Core, where technology turns into advantage.